My one-page website is almost ready. I have started doing some things, but then I forgot to record them, so I would like to recover and kind of end this process by documenting all aspects. Specifically, I have started optimization process for my template. I have added alt attribute for images. This is for accessibility and also performance. And I have added another attribute that allows loading images not instantly on the page load, but only when user scroll to them and reveal in the view. This is also performance optimization. And the third thing that I did is fix this menu navigation. Now the second item does not work. So when I click on this one, nothing happens. What should happen is this: when I click on the third item, it sends me to the related section. I did it the way that this second item does not work, to show you how to make it work. And also I would like to add one improvement. Instead of this instant scroll, I would like to add smooth scrolling. So let's go back to the editor. As you may notice here, when I hover on the design set, this second element, you may notice the pop-up in the bottom left corner of the screen. It shows the URL TemplateCraft.art/# design set. This design set is ID of the section, and this ID is not set yet. So what I do, I choose this section, the second one, this one. I open attributes category, click new attribute. I write ID, and then I write design set. Save. Let's go back here, reload the page, and when I click, now the navigation works, but it does not work smoothly. So what I do, I go to selectors, I choose selector HTML, and here in advanced, I add a new CSS property that is scroll behavior, and the value is smooth. Should be this one. Let me check when I save. Go to the preview, reload the page. Let's try. No. So it means that behavior. Let's go to code mode. Probably I made a typo here. So here, okay, it shows me this is not the correct name. So scroll behavior. Okay, this way. So small typo. It should be without one letter that I mistakenly put. Okay, I fixed it. Still, it is shown here because we have two sync property in Builderius. So between code mode and this visual UI, I instantly see the changes. Now I click save. Go back to the preview and I reload the page. So I click and it scrolls smoothly on the right. Okay, very good. Let's go back. So related to image element, I choose it. There is when I switch to primary, there is a setting loading, and for all image elements I clicked lazy. That is what I was talking about previously about performance optimization. So having this setting enabled, loading lazy, means that images will be loaded not instantly on page load. I mean all images on the page, right? But when user actually scrolls to them, when they are revealed in the viewport. This is performance optimization. Okay, just to be sure, click save. Here I can close. This is my templates, and the final touch is release. I should create a new release. So I put version 102 and tag PC site. It can be any tag. Then version 102, and I write here optimizations like this. So I would like to create a release and publish it instantly. So I check this checkbox and click create release. Now my site should be available for all users, also for those who are not logged in. Let's check. You see I have my smooth scroll, and essentially the site is published already. Okay, so I'm done with creating template and publishing it. Once again, the final touch is to create a release inside Builderius and publish it. By publishing this release, I make it available for all users, also especially non-logged users, which are guests. Now I want to show you one more thing, small improvement, some animation that I will be adding using another plugin. It's not related to Builderius, it's not Builderius functionality, it's a separate plugin. It's called Animotion, and I have menu item in the bar here. So I click it. Now I'm inside this animation builder, and the first thing I'm going to create a new template. I will call it homepage because by location I set it to homepage. And now I click save. And after saving, I can add animation items. So first I click this add item, or I can use also this icon. Then I should choose the target element, the element that will be targeted, that I would like to add animation to. In this case, I would like to add animation to internal section, internal divs for each section. So this section has div, it's highlighted now when I hovering, and also this section has a div, and I will be targeting these divs. I can click here, or probably I cannot. Okay, I cannot. It changes the highlight area. Okay, it's not a problem. I can just write target element here. It's a CSS selector. So what I do, I write section and then direct child div. And then the trigger would be enter in view. I have hover click, in view counter, scroll, and enter in view. In this case, I will be using enter in view. So animation should work when I scroll to this element, when it's entering in the view, in the viewport. Okay. Then I have states. I have from and to. So I switch to from, and it will be appearing animation. So first of all, I apply opacity 0. So initial state is completely transparent. It is from transparent and minus 15 pixels by y-axis, okay, vertical axis, and to value 0, which means the usual position, and opacity 1, which is completely 100% visible. Let me close this categories, and then animation configuration. I would like to apply delay. I can write delay here, or I can drag this animation items here. So I have a small delay in animation start. And now let me save, and let me actually can preview it. So I click this play button. Let's check if it works. Okay, you see I instantly, the animation is visible, and when I scroll, the internal div appears. And here, okay, nice. Now I would like to add the second item, so I click plus, and here I can switch between items, right? The second item, I will be targeting only images. When I hover here, what I wanted to show you previously but couldn't is actually this kind of buttons. They are clickable. They are just suggestions for selector. And in this case, I need image because I will be targeting all images, not specifically this element. If I would target specifically this element, I would choose a very specific selector class, for instance, right? But I need all images like this, and it's copied here and pasted. And trigger would be hover. And what I want is to make images slightly bigger when I hover over them. So I open scale and set scale to 1.1. Okay, and animation duration, I would like it to happen faster. So once again, I can change duration here just by typing, or I can resize the related animation item like this. Okay, let's preview. I click play, and all animation items should be applied. And let's check. So when I do hover, the image is slightly enlarged, and this one, because I target all images, and here also here. Okay, yeah, so my animation works. Then I save it, and let me open page. Here I see it. Once again, let me reload. I see animation, my hover is applied. I see animation, it works. Yeah, okay. So that's all. Thank you for watching.